All right, so I'm in my account and I want to go ahead and take a look at feature previews. I don't want to meddle with my main account, but I'm going to go here and go to feature previews, and here we can see some stuff. So let's say we wanted the command palette. That sounds really cool. I'm going to turn that on. Actually, I think it's already on. I didn't even know that we could do that. And it seems like we would have like this global search thing. We could turn off slash commands if we wanted to. So we say disable or enable it. But let's go take a look at command palettes because I didn't even know that we had. It says here Control K. I'm on a Windows machine right now, so we have Control Alt K or Control K. I'm going to give that a go, and so I'm going to try this, Control K. Ooh, look at that. That is smooth. And so then we can jump to something. What if I type in gists? No, but I mean, like, maybe we could find stuff really quickly. I mean, that's kind of nice, like PAT, personal access token. Let's say I want to go to Andrew, or let's say we want to go to examples. Oh yeah, I'm going to use that a lot more. You might see me doing that. I might tell you that. I really hope that that becomes a main feature because it's really nice. Feature previews, I assume this is beta. I don't think alpha features ever get shown, but that is really cool. I'm surprised they didn't put that in the exam. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one, okay? Ciao.